guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charmaine. Welcome back to another quarantine giveaway. Today's wig is going to be by OUTRE, and it is Stevie right here, and I have her in the color DRFF2/2730, which is this one right here, I think. Which is this one, but these are the other two special colors that she comes in. The one in the middle is a DRFF4/champagne, which is this one. And then the other one is a DRFF425/99J, which is this one here. So this is the one that I'm wearing right now. So this is, I would say this is the 27 portion of it, because it does say it's a 2730. The front here is the 27, and then this is the 30. Back here is the 30. And then it has the dark root, so this is the 2 right here. This color is gorgeous. I mean, I love it. I feel like the mixture, the combination really looks good together. And the way that they highlighted just this little portion in the front here with the 27 and then moved the 30 back here, I really like this color. Now, this is not a lace front wig, even though it does say lace front. It only has a little bit of lace in the front, which I don't even think it's like an inch of lace in the front here from ear to ear, but it does have the parting space here, a middle part. It says that it's a Swiss lace with the eye parting, which is here. I would say that this parting space is about 6 inches, which is pretty good. It's a pretty long part. All you have to do is add some concealer to it or some foundation or whatever to it to make it pop a little bit more. This wig does tingle a little bit, but it's nothing that you can't like run your fingers through or use a brush or a comb to comb out. So it's not like it tingles like crazy. It's manageable. And it also sheds just a little bit. That could be from me cutting the little lace in the front. So that could be from that. Other than that, I really like this wig. I don't know if it's the wig itself or if it's the color, but I'm really liking this. You can make this an everyday wig because it's not long at all. And there's not much you need to do to it because it doesn't have, like I mentioned, it doesn't have that lace in the front that you have to like glue down or anything. You just can throw it on and go. It comes with a regular construction where it has the 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. And that's pretty much it. And as I mentioned before, it only has this as a parting space, so you can only wear it as a middle part. I guess you can wear it as a side part if you shift it over to the side, but yeah, it only comes with just that parting space. There's really not much to say about this wig. You guys can be the judge for yourself, but just the color alone, I would buy this wig again. And it's very manageable. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I believe I got it from Sam's Beauty, but I will link it down below and I'll add the price on the screen somewhere here as well. But I do remember that it was affordable. It was about $30 something, but I'll add it somewhere in the screen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have much to say about this wig. This wig will also be a part of the 10 weeks giveaway that I'm doing on my channel. So again, if you wish to participate in that giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. And if you're interested in this particular wig, all you have to do is in the comment section, just leave your Instagram name and email address so I can get in contact with you if you win. And also, you must be in the US, please. If you are not in the US and you participate, I will have to pick someone else. Because again, please do keep in mind that I am purchasing these wigs with my money and I am also paying for the shipping with my money as well. So international shipping is very expensive, and I ain't trying to pay that. That's pretty much it. That's all I have for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next upload and the next giveaway. Again, remember that I will be doing this for 10 weeks. So if you don't win this time around, you might win next. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.